What's up guys, welcome to another episode of LWC Stack. So guys, in today's video we'll learn how we can wire the current page reference into a lightning web component. So in today's video I'll be creating a lightning web component and I will wire the page reference of I will wire the current page reference into that lightning web component. Okay, so let's get started. So this is my SFDX and let's create a new component here. Let's name it wire page reference. It will be in the default directory. So the first thing first, we'll be doing the XML thing. So we will just have the XML code to dispose this component to the org. Okay, now we will start with JavaScript part. So as we'll be using wire here, so we have to wire the component first. Okay, and we have to import one more thing here, which will be, I think it should be automatically available here. Let me just try again. Okay, so the current page reference is not available here right now, but anyways we can type it. Use current page reference from lightning and navigation, because it will be part of navigation, of course. Okay, now here we will wire that current page reference thing into let's say page reference. Okay, now we will use get current page reference. Okay, let me make it small, current page reference. Okay, and here we will just return this dot page reference. If it is not empty, then it should return the page reference in string page reference, else it should return null here. Okay, so this was the JavaScript part, guys. Now we will work on the HTML. So let me just open the HTML. Let me just copy the template from the old component. So we will copy it till here. Okay, and paste it. Okay, lightning card. Oh, we have missed template here. Okay, so looks good now, and we'll change the heading first. So the heading will be wire. Let's make it current page reference. Okay, then here in this div tag we will just use that parameter name. Okay, so guys, this is the parameter name in my JavaScript file. Okay, it's the C small a and the JavaScript is case sensitive language. So this is my parameter. Please don't confuse in between these two. Okay, so that's it. Let me just push source to org, and as well as let me just open my default org. Okay, push source to org is getting failed here. Let me check the issue. Okay, I think the format is not correct here. Let me just double check it. So lightning element. Let me try to deploy it one more time. Okay, so we are not having that error now. Alright, it is deployed now. Now let's go to the org, open the app here. And here we can edit this page. And we can simply drag our component to the page itself. Here it is. So here, as you can see, we are having standard page here. We are having attributes, the API name of this page, which is why right now. So guys, that's how you can just bind the current page reference into your Lightning Web component. Okay. So guys, for this component and for the previous one also, we'll be having complete code on the blog itself, which is salesforcepole.com. So you can just directly go there and check out this LWC Stack series. So this was my 28 video in this series. Okay. So guys, that's it for today. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, will be awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for